Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chevy Blazer key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be done quickly at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started by identifying the key fob seam. Now, carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the designated slot on the key fob. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Take your time and apply steady, gentle pressure to avoid scratching the plastic or damaging any internal parts. The two halves will come apart easily. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver or a fingernail to gently pop out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly. With the new battery in place, align the two halves of the key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Give it a gentle squeeze around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Chevy Blazer's doors. It should now work perfectly, restoring full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.